Arguing who's wrong or right. Waste all our energy, we're up all night. Isn't it obvious we're losing sight of what our purpose is? We've got to unite. This is our time.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It has been a little while since we have been able to catch up and since I've uploaded a video. So hi, welcome. I'm so happy that you're still here. As you can see, today's video is going to be packed full of cleaning motivation. I'm going to be cleaning my entire apartment, so come along with me. We're going to do a whole house clean with me in every room. I'm going to catch you guys up on life and where I'm at, so let's get right into today's video.
Ready, putting on my way to some days. You just gotta let loose, hit every street like a dance floor. Baby, spin my favorite song, get it thumping.
If this is your first video, I just want to say hi and welcome. My name is Christin. We are from Louisiana, Baton Rouge to be specific, and Justin travels for work. And so right now we are in Corpus Christi, Texas. This is a very, very temporary apartment that we're staying in. We originally got it for 45 days and we are a few weeks into that already, and I'm just now uploading a video. I know, life is crazy. And a little bit of honesty here, we don't actually know where we're going after this apartment. So y'all say a prayer that we can find somewhere to stay. Really, really difficult to find furnished apartments, believe it or not. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a really quick update on what's going on. The other videos on my channel are from our home in Baton Rouge. If you're curious, I would love to have you subscribe and stick around. But let's get into today's video. So like I mentioned, it is a whole house clean with me. We have lived here a couple of weeks and it really just needed a good clean and refresh from top to bottom. It was clean whenever we got here, but you know how that goes. And before we go any further in today's video, I have this super fun friend that I wanted to share with you guys. Bronte from Bronte's Life here on YouTube and Instagram. She lives in Las Vegas and she is just the coolest human. She's so fun, so down to earth, so relatable, and I have just really enjoyed her content for a while, and she was sweet enough to work with me, so I really appreciate her for that. She definitely has not let her success get to her, and that is so admirable. So I wanted to share her with you guys. If you haven't already found her, which I would be shocked if you haven't, but definitely go over and check Bronte out. I will have her information linked in my description box. Follow her over on her Instagram. She shares all kinds of funny comedy, and like I mentioned already, be sure and check out her YouTube channel. She makes the same type of content that I make. And of course, if you're here from Bronte's channel, hi and welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I do make homemaking and lifestyle content, cleaning motivation to be specific. So I would love to have you stick around and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Testing 1, 2, 3, here I go. Give me that microphone.
Hope y'all enjoyed that music. I love jamming out, so I figured I would jam out right along with you guys. I'm over here editing and just dancing in the kitchen, so a little behind the scenes for you there. But I'm just going to use this video to kind of update you guys on everything, and I've pretty much updated you on everything that there is, but I figured that you might have a couple of questions. So in case you are new here, I mentioned that we're traveling for work, and that this is a temporary apartment. So everything did come furnished. We brought like some kitchen stuff, like basically everything you see in the dishwasher except for like the pots and pans is ours, but like all of the furniture, all of the bedding, towels, everything like that was provided, silverware, and we just kind of brought what we wanted to and also needed, like clothing. So that's kind of the situation that we're in right now. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys that information in case you are curious. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'm more than happy to answer them. We went to St. Croix last year, and it was a similar situation, except for since we had to fly, we only were able to bring 2 suitcases. So this time we both drove our vehicles. Justin and I each drove our vehicle, and we were able to fill that up with whatever we wanted, and so we were able to bring a lot more, which was really nice. Like Justin brought his computer and stuff. But I wanted to share this with you really quickly. If you have a garbage disposal, these are amazing. I don't think they actually clean anything, but they just really make it smell nice again. They're lemon scented, and yeah, so you just put it in the garbage disposal, turn water on, run your disposal, and it grinds it up and just makes it smell super fresh. So I really enjoyed doing that. This disposal kind of had a little bit of a smell, but it's all good. Making progress. The kitchen was the first room that I had to get to, and then we're gonna move into, oh, we're not done yet. We have floors to finish, but then we're gonna move into the living room, my bedroom, and my bathroom, and get that all picked up and cleaned. So let's listen to another song. Hopefully I can help motivate you. You can get up and clean with me, and then I will check back in a little later.
When my head is full of questions and the sky is full of rain, when I'm worrying about what I can't change, I take a look at my reflection and try to make a funny face, and for a second all my sorrows melt away. As if we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while.
If you have pets, you guys have to get this Chom Chom roller. It is from Amazon. I will pin it in my comments below and also put it in my description box. But I have tried vacuuming the cat hair off of our furniture, and it just does not come off. So this is a complete game changer. I always go in with this first, and then if I'm gonna vacuum, I'll do that afterwards, because this tool gets the majority of the cat hair up. Whenever we went back to Louisiana, we did a whole house clean with me there, and I used this on our couches, and I'm going to be sharing that video soon, and I will show you before and after on each couch and how much it got up. It was insane, you guys. So be sure and stay tuned. Coming up on the channel, I have a couple of videos already filmed. I'm going to be organizing our bathroom and our dresser here in this apartment, and then I have a whole house clean with me from our home in Louisiana. So I'm excited to share that with you guys. And if you missed my last upload, I did a closet clean out video, closet purge. I changed my closet over for the season, so be sure and check that out. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know how much I love this tool. I sincerely do. Nobody's paying me to say this. It gets the cat hair up so well.
Maybe we can make base camp on the sofa. I don't really wanna leave this paradise. No, let a bottle of rosé remote control us. Baby, you and me can get lazy for the whole night. 'Cause every time we touch in slow motion. We ain't got to rush, got nowhere to go. Swimming in your love, as deep as the ocean. You're luxurious, straight down to the bone. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. So put your dress right back in reverse. Italian Vogue should do a feature of you right now. Baby, looking at me with the lights down in my t-shirt. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt now. t-shirt, no. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. You ain't really gotta get dressed up to be gorgeous. Oh, baby, you can make Coco Chanel cry. Oh, you are the queen of casual and you know it. Baby, you and me can take it easy for the whole night. Cause every time we touch in slow motion. We ain't got to rush, got nowhere to go. Swimming in your love as deep as the ocean. You're luxurious, straight down to the bone. You don't need nothing but a t-shirt. So put your dress right back in reverse.
So you might have noticed Justin's gaming setup right here. You can really see it. This is a 1-bedroom apartment, and so he doesn't really have any other option besides using the living room, and that means we have rearranged some furniture. So the end table that he has his flight simulator controls on is actually the table that's supposed to go right there beside the couch. So I was trying to make that little section look cute, I guess, and so I was just rearranging it. And I'm not really worried about vacuuming the entire carpet. I'm just trying to get the majority of it. Like I said, we haven't been here that long and I have been vacuuming periodically, so it just kind of is what it is. My goal is never perfection, but just to get the majority of it done to where I feel like everything has a pretty good fresh start. So I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on in the living room and why I pretty much skipped over the whole thing. Well, at least half of it. I did do about half. So anyways, we're gonna move on into my room now. As you can see, I had to pick up my floor. I had a lot of clothes just kind of strewn around. I haven't been feeling good the past couple of weeks, and so I've been a little bit on the lazy side, but that's okay. Doing some catch up now. So I'm just gonna hang up all of my clothes, fold and put those away. And yeah, like I mentioned, you're gonna see my drawers organized here in a few minutes, and I did film that, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys in an upcoming video.
Sunset burning on the golden shore. Never seen a view like this before. The stars, they shine like diamonds in your eyes. Black dress on you got me hypnotized. I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away about you. No, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, cause I need you. My heart keeps beating like an island drum, cause you're my only one. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. Neon shining on the boulevard, dancing underneath the champagne stars. You make me feel like I'm forever young, cause you're my only one. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away, I keep feeling away about you. No, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, no, I can't look away, cause I need you. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. You make me feel so good. Feel so good. feel so good. You make me feel so good.
If you've watched any of my videos, then you know that I don't use these single-use wipes on every surface in my home normally. However, whenever you travel like this, you just kind of work with what you have and you learn to improvise, and that's what I'm doing. They had all of one cleaner in this house, and so whenever I was at Sam's, I picked up this container of wipes, disinfectant wipes, and then whenever I went back home, I brought back a bottle of Windex, and I'm just making that work. I don't want too much here because then I have to get all of that back to the house, and pretty much with these products I can make my house feel and smell clean, and I'm okay with that. But I did want to mention that I would recommend using other products to get the job done with maybe a rag that you can throw in the washing machine instead of extra waste. But hey, sometimes in life you just have to work with what you have. So we are so close to being done with giving the whole apartment a refresh. This apartment is very small, but it works. I actually really like it. I like the space. It's not a lot to clean, and I'm happy with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you subscribe. I hope you follow me over on my Instagram at lovechristin, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.